Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford guys, pretty much any Ford vehicle and your cruise control guys doesn't work, stay with us. We'll explain what are guys the top 3 reasons for a cruise control not to work on Ford vehicle guys. Quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop guys, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you can find the information helpful and guide you in the right direction to fix your problem. So we have a 2012 guys Ford Focus here, and cruise control is not working. So we'll show you guys how we will diagnose the system and how we'll find out what's wrong with it. We'll explain what can go wrong on a Ford cruise control, and that way the cruise control will not be working. We'll cover the top 3 reasons, plus we'll share some other causes as well guys that are not so common. If you need any tools or parts guys that we use in our videos, we have the links in the description of the video below. Okay, that will be one thing to check. Now, some Ford vehicles guys, they have a fuse for the cruise control, and the fuse, it could be located under the hood or it could be located guys in the car. Sometimes it's under the glove box. Not all Ford vehicles though have fuses for cruise control, especially some of the newer ones they don't, and it's integrated in the car computer. But what you have that controls the cruise control guys? Okay, now you have the steering wheel switches here. This is a common problem for the cruise control to fail guys. Okay, switches that do not work. Okay, one of them. You have brake paddle switch. Okay, sometimes you have 2 of them. One is for the cruise control, one is for the brake lights. Sometimes, especially on newer Ford vehicles guys, it's one switch integrated for the cruise control and the brake light switch. And if that switch goes bad, your cruise control will not work. Why? Because when you press the brake, your cruise control is supposed to turn off, right? But if it doesn't know that you press the brake, the cruise will keep going, and that's dangerous. You can kill yourself that way. That's why the car computer doesn't let the cruise control work. Now, another reason guys, it could be a bad cork spring. What is a cork spring? As you know, we have the buttons here on the steering wheel, but these buttons, okay, need to connect somehow to the steering column guys, and there is one round device that transfers the signal from the steering wheel to the steering column. And if that goes bad, okay, your cruise control may not work. Sometimes, okay, if none of the buttons on your steering wheel work, you may have a fuse for the cork spring, so check that one as well. Now we'll show you guys, okay, how we'll diagnose it on that Ford. Now what we'll do, we need to find the Obd connector. Okay, it is right there, and I'm going to plug our scanner, the one that will test the brake light switch with, and we'll see, okay, if that's the cause for our problem. Now, if you guys need to buy any tools or parts, we have the links again in the description of the video below. So I'll go ahead and turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition switch is on. Next, we'll go here. We're going to select Maxicom Diagnostics, and this computer guys, it's amazing. It works pretty much on any car, not just Ford. Check it out, you can even work on Lamborghini, Bentley and Bugatti. Amazing too guys. It gives you dealer level equipment to read the lead codes from every computer in your car and see live data. So pretty much guys, you can pay it off in one-time use instead of going to the dealer. We're going to click Ford USA, and it's going to guys load the VIN number now. We need to confirm this is the correct VIN number, and once it does all that now, okay, I'm going to show you, it's going to decode the information, and we need to confirm that this is the correct vehicle. It will give us a 2012 Ford Focus with direct fuel injection, yes. Now it's going to load. From that point on, it will take just a little bit of time. So if you guys have any recommendations for videos guys, you want to see any specific problem, leave a comment below guys. That way we'll get an idea and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. So as you can see, it is loading. Now you can check in the corner your battery voltage 11.75. It is recommended guys, when you do the diagnostics, to always have your battery above 12 volts. So if it's low, connect the battery charger to it guys, because it will make the connection secure, okay, and safer as well. So we click control unit. Now you see how many computers are in that Ford vehicle. That's amazing, right? You can access and read all of them that are present in the car. Next we'll click, this is known as BCM body control module. it's either under this one or PCM, one of the two, but most of the times it's under BCM. Now, in some cases, guys, you may have a fuse for the brake light switch, so if the brake light switch doesn't work, check your fuse. Okay, and if the fuse is good, it could be just the brake light switch. So check it out now. Brake lamp switch off. I'll click the pedal, I'll press the pedal. It doesn't change, guys, it doesn't change at all. I'll go ahead, okay, remove the brake light switch, okay, and we'll show you guys, okay, we'll show you what it looks like, and we'll replace it and see if that will take care of the problem. I'll turn the ignition off, I'll go underneath, check it, and we'll see, guys, okay, if that's the case with ours. Usually it's right here on the brake paddle. Okay, that blue thing there, okay, this thing, this is your brake light switch. So I'll go ahead and remove it. If you want to see the video how to replace it, guys, it's on the channel, check it out. So this is, guys, the brake light switch. If you want to see where we get our parts from, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we buy our parts from. So we'll go ahead, put that one together and see if it fixes our problem now. So the brake light switch, guys, has been replaced. What I'll do now, okay, I'm going to turn the ignition back on. Okay, ignition is on, guys. Okay, and we're going to check it out now. Okay, it says brake lamp switch off. I'll go ahead, press the brake pedal now. Okay, check out what's going to happen now. It says on. Off, on, off, on. And we tested, guys, everything, cruise control, everything functions like it should. So hopefully, guys, that will be the reason for your cruise control not to work, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.